Hello, my dear friend, and welcome back to another English practice. I'm so happy that you are here again. You are giving time to yourself. You are giving time to your learning. You are giving time to your dream. That is something beautiful. You are doing something good for your mind and for your future. Today's story is a very special one. It is not only about words and grammar. It is not only about English. It is about you, your heart, your patience, your dreams, and your motivation. The title of today's story is Motivation to Learn English. It is slow, calm, and full of hope. You can listen and repeat after me. You can shadow my voice. You don't need to hurry. You don't need to understand every word. You only need to relax, breathe, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Learning English is not always easy. You know that. I know that. Everyone who learns a new language knows that. Some days you feel excited. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel slow. And that is okay. It's part of the journey. Learning a language is not like a test that you pass once. It's a long, beautiful journey with many small steps. Every word you learn is one step forward. Every sentence you repeat is one step forward. Every small practice is a small victory. Even if you only listen for 5 minutes today, it is still a victory. Even if you only learn one new word, it is still progress. Imagine a tree. A tree starts from a very small seed. When you plant it, you don't see the tree the next day. You don't see the leaves or the fruit right away. You wait. You give it water, sunlight, and care. Slowly, quietly, the seed starts to grow. After many days, many weeks, many months, you see a small plant. Then one day, you see a strong tree. It takes time. But every day, it grows a little. Your English is like that tree. Every time you listen, every time you repeat, every time you try, your English grows. Maybe you don't see it today. Maybe you don't feel it tomorrow. But one day, you will look back and see how much you have learned. Some people think motivation means big energy, big fire, big emotion. But real motivation is quiet. It is gentle. It is the small voice inside your heart that says, don't stop. It's the whisper that says, try again. It's the feeling that says, I can do this. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to know everything. You just need to keep going. Some days you will feel like studying a lot. You will feel strong and full of energy. But other days, you will feel tired or busy. On those days, do something small. Maybe listen for 5 minutes. Maybe repeat 3 sentences. Maybe say one word out loud. That is enough. A small action is still action. A small step is still progress. The key is not to stop. Remember why you started. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to study in another country. Maybe you want to travel the world. Maybe you want to understand movies, books, or songs. Maybe you want to talk with people from different countries. Or maybe you just want to feel proud of yourself. All these reasons are good. They are your light. They are your energy. On the days when you feel tired, remember your reason. Look at your goal. It will help you move again. Learning English is not only about words. It is about connection. When you speak English, you open doors. You can connect with new people. You can learn new things. You can see the world from a new point of view. You can make new friends. You can understand different cultures. You can read, listen, and watch things that were close to you before. English is a key. It opens many doors. Of course, sometimes you will make mistakes. That's normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid of them. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good. They show you where you can grow. When a baby learns to walk, it falls many times. But it never says, "I can't walk." It just stands up again and again. You are the same. When you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Smile and say, "I'm learning." Each mistake is a lesson. Each lesson makes you stronger. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone learns differently. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slow. Some people have more time. Some people have less. But the speed doesn't matter. What matters is that you continue. You are not in a race. You are walking your own road. Your journey is yours. You are doing your best. And that is enough. Be kind to yourself. Don't say, "I'm bad at English." Don't say, "I will never learn." Say, "I'm learning." Say, "I'm improving." Say, "I'm trying." Speak to yourself with love. You are doing something brave. You are learning a new language. That is a big thing. You should be proud. Let's imagine again. Think about a mountain. When you stand at the bottom, the mountain looks big, maybe too big. You look up and think, "It's too hard." But then you take one small step. Then another. Then another. Slowly, you climb. Some days you move a lot. Some days you move a little. But you are always moving. One day, you look down and say, "Wow, I came so far." That's what learning English is like. You are climbing your own mountain. And every small step counts. There will be good days and hard days. Some days you will understand everything. Some days you will feel lost. Some days you will be proud. Some days you will feel frustrated. That is normal. On hard days, don't stop. Just do one small thing. Listen to one story. Repeat one sentence. Write one word. That is enough. Small actions are the secret. Your brain is learning even when you don't feel it. Every time you listen, your ears learn new sounds. Every time you repeat, your mouth learns new movements. Every time you shadow, your memory becomes stronger. Learning is not always visible. It's quiet. It's slow. But it's real. Celebrate your progress. Don't wait for a big test to feel proud. Be proud now. Did you listen today? That's great. Did you learn a new word? Wonderful. Did you speak one sentence? Amazing. Every small success is important. Say well done to yourself. Smile. You are doing something great. Make your learning joyful. Don't make it heavy. Don't think it must always be serious. You can learn with music. You can watch short stories. You can talk to yourself. You can play word games. You can listen while walking. You can shadow while cooking. Learning can be light and fun. When you smile, your brain learns better. Be patient. Don't expect fast results. Language is like a flower. It needs time to bloom. You plant the seed. You water it. You wait. Every day, something small changes. One day, you see the flower. Your English is growing like that. Even when you can't see it, it's growing. Remember, you are not alone. Millions of people around the world are learning English too. Some are in India, some in Turkey, some in Brazil, some in Japan, some in Mexico. They all have the same dream: to connect, to understand, to speak, to grow. You are part of this big family. You are walking with millions of friends. Each time you practice, you are building your future. Each time you listen, you are feeding your dream. You are giving love to your goal. That's something beautiful. You are not wasting time. You are investing time in yourself. When you hear a small voice that says, "It's too hard," answer softly, "Maybe it's hard. But I'm strong." When you hear, "You can't," answer, "Yes, I can. You can do it. You are strong. You are capable. You are learning." Motivation is not about feeling perfect. It's about continuing. It's about standing up again. It's about believing that small steps bring big change. It's about patience and kindness. Every time you show up, you win. Every time you listen, you grow. Every time you repeat, you build a new path in your brain. You are not just learning English. You are learning discipline, courage, and hope. So, my friend, keep going. Don't stop. Don't give up. You are already doing something amazing. One day, you will speak freely. One day, you will feel confident. One day, you will smile and say, "I did it." That day will come. But it starts now, with today's small step. Take a deep breath. Smile. Say, "I am learning. I am growing. I will not give up." Feel proud. You deserve it. Thank you for listening to this story. You gave your time. You gave your energy. You practiced. That is success. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep believing. You are doing great. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. This was your story, Motivation to Learn English. I hope it gave you peace, hope, and strength. You are amazing. I believe in you. Now, believe in yourself. Take one more deep breath, smile again, and say, "I can do this." Because you can. See you next time, my friend. Keep learning, keep shining, and never stop believing in your dream.